How's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel, previews and blogs. On this video is going to be a quick tutorial on how to set up your Bluetooth on a 2018 Rogue with the 7-inch screen. The other one I did was on an 17 and 18 Ultima, and they had the smaller screen, which is a 5-inch screen, and that's a different way of setting up your Bluetooth. This one is going to be the same type of screen that is in the Ultima and the Rogue, and I'm going to show you how to set up the Bluetooth on this one. It's just a little bit different. It's actually a little bit quicker and easier. So here we go. All right, so this is the screen right here. Pretty much you can see it's a bigger screen. It still does not have the navigation on this model, but I'm going to show you a quick setup on this one. So first of all, on your phone, you want to make sure your Bluetooth is on. So once we got that on, we're going to go ahead and hit Connections, Add New, and then we're going to just wait for this to search. The actual phone itself, actually, we'll hit Search on the phone, and then it'll search for all devices. It's right there, just like it says Continental Rogue. We're going to click on Continental Rogue right there. It's going to start the pairing process. On the phone, it's going to ask you to verify the pin, make sure the pins are the same. Hit pair on the phone. And the phone is now paired to the phone. You can see it. That little Bluetooth light will turn on right there. It says hands-free. LG X Ventures ready. And we're going to hit yes. And we're all set. Now, on each phone, it might be different. This is an LG Venture phone. On the iPhone, it might be a little bit different. It might be different on an iPhone, another Android, a Galaxy S9. The setup on the screen might be different, but the setup to do it on the radio itself is the same. So same steps, and that was pretty quick and simple. Like I said, it's a quick and simple thing. It's just hit Add New, and then set it. It pretty much sets up all on your phone. And now you can make phone calls, listen to music right off of this. And again, that was just a quick tutorial on how to do it with the 7-inch screen instead of the 5-inch screen if you have this type of screen. Well, again, thank you again for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. I have more tutorials on other different cars on how to do that. And again, I'll always be doing, your reviews on different items, cars, and every once in a while you see me do a blog on something or how to fix something. That's pretty much what my channel is about. Thank you again for watching. You guys take care.